Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is time to unboxing, just for fun of course. This for iPhone, which is iPhone SE 2016 model, iPhone 6s, iPhone 5c and iPhone 4s. And so without further ado, let's get started. So in this video, I am just want to do a just for fun unboxing of this for iPhone, because just now this for iPhone has complete fully restored for the software, this for iPhone. And now it's time to just for fun of unboxing of this for iPhone. Alright, so I am going to unboxing one by one. iPhone SE 2016 model, but iPhone 6s box I got from a friend. Very nice. Let's unboxing it. Alright, so here's the phone. Still in good condition. So nothing inside. So here's the phone. Let's proceed to next phone, which is iPhone 6s. So here's the box. This box pattern should be iPhone 6, and the 6s box should be like just now when I unboxed this ISE. But yeah, when I received the iPhone 6s, I bought on Shopee and I received with this box. But it's okay, it looks nice. So here's the phone. 9.8/10 condition, very clean. Very small scratch, but can't see it. Here's the phone. What's inside? It has a book and pin as well at the inside. Charging head and your phone. So here's the box. Very nice. iPhone 5c. Yeah, the 4s should be last. So here's the phone. Yeah, so yeah, here's the phone. Beautiful. The condition is like 9/10 because it has a scratch, and at the back because it's fully plastic. Then little bit, then here nothing. It has a little, yeah. 4s. So here's the box. Here's the phone. Very nice. What's inside? A book and pin, SIM pin, charger head. Nothing. We are going to turn on all of these iPhone right now. We start from SE. White logo with black Apple logo. Turn on iPhone 6s. Still with these 3 dead or stuck pixel in my display. Hopefully it's a LCD problem, not a hardware problem. Let's turn on iPhone 5c and iPhone 4s. Wow, very nice. iOS 15, 15, 10 and 9. This phone is a latest version after fully restoring a software. It gives a latest version. You can update it or you don't want also is okay. It still accept, of course. Quite long for this boot up on iOS 9 on any Apple device. Come on, iOS 9. Don't give up. Alright. Alright, so the phone already been turned on. And this is the first time boot up after the restoring. I'm going to show you the hello screen. Very nice. So I'm going to set up. Alright, so for of this iPhone already been set up. This for is say that welcome to iPhone. Get started, get started, get started, and get started. Very nice animation. So before I end off this video, if you have any issue on your software on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, you can connect to your PC. I mean from phone to PC and download the iTunes. After the download, you will straight away launch the apps and it will detect your phone. Then after that, it has a two option, which is the update or restore. Then you press the restore and also it give a message you want to update or restore. Then you choose what you want. After that, it will download the firmware or software with latest version. Then after that, it will straight away shut down your phone. Apple logo loading until it finish. Then welcome to the new iPhone. So that's all for me. Thank you very much and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give a feedback for this unboxing just for fun in the comment below. And I'm sorry for my bad English. And see you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. Enjoy.